Okay. So we did up to this point, right? Last,
Right, miss.
yeah. Okay. What about the any difficult questions you had?
No, miss.
No. Okay. Then send me the working so that I can mark, but I'll continue from here. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. So last week we what we did here, we just what we did. Ah, okay. So yes, last week what we did, we just did all these straight line equations. Y is equals to mx plus c, and there we learned that m is the gradient and c is the intercept. Alright. So that's what we call the gradient and the intercept. Then now here we are going to graph these type of equations. Okay. So
Okay,
here
miss.
what we have, ax plus by is equals to c. So let me share my complete screen. And then I'll take the paint as well so that I can write and show you. Okay. So here what do you have is, what do we have? Okay. Now what they have given us is an equation. Equation format is ax plus by is equals to c. But what we know so far, we knew that the equation for the what we call equation for the gradient, equation for a straight line, that is y is equals to mx plus c. This was the standard form. Okay, standard form of an equation of a line, straight line. Correct. Now
Okay.
what we do, we should convert this. This is also also an equation for a straight line. However, this is not in this format. So what we have to do, we have to convert this ax plus by is equals to c to y is equals to mx plus c format. Alright.
Okay.
So now, how we gonna convert this? First, so here the subject is y ne. Henang we have to keep this as the subject. So to keep this y as a subject, we should remove the rest of the terms from that side. Henang, what do we have to do? So we have to remove this ax from left hand side. Okay. If we do something to the left hand side in an equation, then we need to do the same thing for the right side as well, for the other side as well. Now I removed ax from this left hand side. So I do the same thing for the right side as well. Then we receive by is equals to minus ax plus c. Okay. Then,
Yeah, miss.
so this equation is, the subject of this equation is y, because this one is written for y. Ehenang, here to make y as a subject, we need to divide this by b. Ehenang, if we divide that by b, okay, for the left hand side, we need to do the same thing to the right hand side as well. That means y is equals to minus a over bx plus C over B. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
miss.
I divided all terms in B. All terms with B. Now, can you hear me properly?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. So what will happen here then? This is the format of this equation. Y is equals to mx plus c. See, now m is equals to what? Minus a over b, because this term is m now. Okay, this term is what? C.
C.
And now we have m and c.
C.
Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay, that's what they have mentioned here. The graph of 3x plus 4y is equals to 12 is a straight line. The equation can be rearranged as y is equals to minus 3 over x plus 3 over 4x plus 3. How we do this? Now this one is clear, right?
Yeah, miss.
Okay, shall I go to a new page and do that one as well?
Okay, miss.
Okay, so there. What do we have to do now? So we have the equation 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. Now we have to keep this y term only for the left hand side. We need to take the rest of the terms to the other side. That means we need to remove this 3x. So we have
Yeah,
to subtract that 3x. If we do that subtraction for the left hand side, we need to do the same thing to the right hand side as well.
yeah.
Yes, here we have 4y is equals to minus 3x plus 12. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now to make y as a subject, so what we have to do, we should divide both sides by 4.
4.
You know, y is equals to minus 3 over 4 x plus
Plus
12 over
4.
4.
4.
You know, y is equals to, we can simplify it further, minus 3 over 4x plus 3. Okay,
Okay, miss.
here we have the m, here we have the c. That's
Yes,
what
miss.
they have given here. Okay, so now what is the gradient? Gradient is minus 3 over 4 and the intercept is this 3. Okay, so here the graph of 3x plus 4y is equals to 12 is a straight line and the equation can be rearranged as y is equals to minus 3 over 4x plus 3, showing it is a straight line with gradient. Gradient is what? Gradient is minus 3 over 4. And what is the intercept? Intercept is 3. Is
3.
clear? Okay.
Miss.
So intercept is 3 means now what is the coordinate? Coordinate is 0, 3. Okay. The easiest way to plot the graph is to find where the graph crosses the axis. That's where the intercept is. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. So skill interpretation. Now draw the graph that is x plus 2y is equals to 8. Okay. Can you do one thing? First, can you convert this into the standard form? Can you convert this x plus 2y into y is equals to mx plus c term?
Okay, miss.
Okay. First do that one. So what is the equation you receive?
Uh, I Miss is it y equals minus 3 over 2x plus 4?
Wait, y is equals
Minus
minus.
3.
No, this is the equation. X plus 2y is equals to 8. So then how it happens? X plus 2y is equals to 8. Okay. So that means first
Wait,
2y is equals to minus x plus 8. Then you can divide both sides by 2.
okay, Miss. Okay.
That is y is equals
Y
to,
equals to
yes, minus x over 2 plus
plus 8
8 over 2.
2
That means minus half
half
x
x
plus
plus
4.
4.
Okay. So can you try to draw this one? So here, how we gonna draw this one? Okay. We have to, if it's a line now, we should have 2 points. Harida, we should have 2 points to draw the line. One point is when y is equals to 0. The other point is when x is equals to 0.
0.
Harida,
Yeah.
then when y is equals to 0, what is the x value?
It is 0.
No, when y becomes 0. Okay, so now this is the
1.
equation. Y is equals to minus x over 2 plus 4. Now we make y as 0. So 0 is equals to minus x over 2 plus 4. That is, here 4 we can take it to the left hand side. That is minus
Minus
4
4.
is equals to minus x over
2.
2. Then we should multiply both sides by 2. That means minus x is equals to minus 8.
3.
Here x is equals to what? 8.
8.
Are x is
And
equals to 8. So here what is the first coordinate? Coordinate means xy, no?
yeah.
So here x is 8, y means 0. One coordinate is 8, 0. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then the second one is, so we have to, if we wanted to draw a line, then we should have another coordinate. So to find out this coordinate, what we did, we just equalize y as 0. Now what we have to do, we have to make x
As 0.
as 0. Here we have to use the same equation. Y is equals to minus x over 2 plus 4. Here this x becomes 0. Ethakota y is equals to 0 over 2 plus
That's
4.
4.
That means 0 divided by 2 means again what? 0. No?
Yeah.
Hari. 0 plus 4. The answer is 4. That means what is the coordinate? If we write the coordinate, that means x, y. So when x is equals to 0, y value is 4.
4.
Okay. So these are the two coordinates Now, can you try to draw the graph? You know
Okay.
how to draw, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
How? First, you should draw the Cartesian plane. Okay. Here
Yeah.
we have the x-axis. Here we have the y-axis. Then,
Mm-hmm.
since there's no any negative numbers, we can mark only positives. So, it's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, now what are the two coordinates? One coordinate is 8, 0. Okay, 8, 0. We have to have more. 8, 0 means here 6, 7, 8. So 8, 0 means when x is equals to 8, y becomes 0. Here we have that coordinate. And
Mm-hmm.
0, 4 means 0 means x. So 0, 4 means here. Now what we have to do? We should draw the straight line like this. Is it
Okay.
clear? Let me
Yeah,
put
ma'am.
the light. Let me put the light otherwise. Okay. Hari?
Yes,
Done?
ma'am.
Okay. Can you just wanted to write these ones there? No. Is it yes or no? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. If you wanted to write, now you can write. If not, we'll do some questions.
Shall I write?
Okay. You can write. Once you finished writing, can you start with the first question?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you do this one, and this one, and this one. Okay,
Okay.
only these four. Start with this one. Give me like 5 minutes. I'll join again. I'll come again. Okay.
Okay.
So first you have to write this one, and then in the exercises you should do the first one. Hare,
Okay.
you have the book with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, will do. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What happened? Were you able to start with the first one?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
shall I tell?
Yes. Tell me.
X is 3 and Y is 6.
So for the coordinates.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are the steps? So 2x plus y is equals to 6. So first you have to convert this into a standard form. එතකොට
Mm.
මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? Standard form is y is equals to minus 2x plus 6. හරි?
Yeah.
Okay, then when x is equals to 0, when x is equals to 0, y value is what?
Mm. X is equal to 0.
Y value is,
It is 6.
yes, y value is 6. When y value is equals to 0, what is the x value?
It is 3.
Yes, very good. That is 3. So, did you draw the graph?
Yeah, miss.
Okay, so how it happens? So, here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, y value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then we have when x is equals to 0, y value is 6. When x is equals to 3, y value is 0.
It's 3.
So then if you draw the graph, it will looks like this.
Yes, miss. It is 3.
Okay.
Yeah, miss.
Did you get this kind of a graph?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Now you are in which question?
No, second one.
Oh,
Still
second.
adding.
Okay. We'll do like first, I mean the first, second, third, and fourth, and then the rest of the questions you can do it at home. Alright?
Okay.
Okay. These ones you should do at home.
Miss, can you send the
Yeah.
recording?
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
sure. You want the previous one's recording as well, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, okay, sure. I'll send all the recordings. Sorry.
Okay, miss.
First one, second one, third one, and the fourth.
Miss,
Yes.
is
Yes.
the second one x is 4 and y is 6.
Wait. So you have to tell me the coordinates. When
Yeah,
x
we
is
have,
equals to 4, y is equals to 0.
yeah,
Okay. Then when x is equals to
plus 2
0, what
0
is the
and y is equals to 6.
y is equals to 6? Yes. Then the coordinates are 4, 0 and 0, 6. Yes. These are the two coordinates.
And then, Miss, is it correct?
Yes, these two coordinates are correct.
Okay,
Then
okay.
the standard form of the equation is y
Y
is equals to,
equals to minus 3 over 2x plus 6.
yes, very good. Y is equals to minus 3 over 2x plus 6. Okay. Now do the third one and the fourth one.
Okay,
Draw the graph as well.
okay,
Okay,
miss.
I'll bring some water and come.
Miss, 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 Miss,
Hmm. Okay,
miss,
finished?
I have a question, miss.
Question. Okay, tell me.
How to do the third one, miss?
Okay,
The
third
fourth
one.
one.
You did the fourth one, but third one is a problem. Hemad. Okay. So for the third one, you can see my screen, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So here x minus 2y is equals to 4, no?
Yes, miss.
Then did you convert into the standard form?
That's
No?
the problem, miss.
Okay, so what we can do, we can take this y term. Uh, I'm telling you kind of an easy method. So we can take this y term into the right side, and this 4 can be taken to the left hand side. Itakota, we have x minus 4 is equals to 2y. Okay.
Yes,
Then to make y as the subject, we have to divide both side by 2. Hari. Ehenang y is equals to x over 2 minus 4 over 2. Hari. So
yes,
that means y is equals to half x minus 2. Is it clear?
yes, miss.
Okay. Now, when x is equals to 0, what is the y value? Tell me. You
When x is equals to 0,
when x is equals to 0, what is the y value?
mm, it is minus 2.
Minus 2. Very good. When x is equals to 0, y value is minus 2. When y is equals to 0, what is the x value? Tell me the x value.
Uh, when y is 0, then um, is it, what is it?
Hmm? What is the value? When y is equals to 0, what is the x value? So you can make it. 0 is equals to half x minus
Yeah,
2. Okay. Then we can take this minus 2 to
to
this
the
side.
other side.
Yeah, එතකොට 2 is equals to
So
half x.
x.
එහෙනම් x is equals to 2 times 2, that is 4.
4.
එහෙනම් what are the coordinates? One coordinate is 0 minus 2. The other coordinate is 4, 0.
Miss, do
Yes,
we multiply
yes,
to
yes. We should write like this, the two coordinates. Yes, we should write like that.
I will draw the table.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. The last one. Do the fourth one as well. Did you draw the graph?
Yeah, Miss, to the other side, no, Miss.
This one.
Yeah, no, Miss, that minus is also coming, no, so to the other side, no, Miss. Upside down, no, Miss.
That means, so here we have 0, 1.
Miss, the minus is coming, no, that y equals
Yes, y is equals minus 2 also there යනවා. එහෙනම් we should have the negative values. එතකොට කොහොමද අඳින්නේ?
upside down.
Yes, we should mark it down. Minus 1, minus 2. Here we have 1 and here we have 2. So එතකොට if it's 0 minus 2, then this one 0 minus 2. 4 0 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 0. 4 0 means here. Okay, 0 minus 2, 4 0. That means this. Okay.
Okay. Miss, shall I also tell the fourth one?
Yeah, you can start with the fourth one.
Fourth one, it is x equals -8, y equals 0.
Y is equals 0 when x is equals
-6.
-6. Okay. Then
Uh,
when x is equals 0, when y is equals what?
6.
6. Yes. Very good. What are the two coordinates? -6, 0 and 0, 6. -6, 0, 0, 6.
Yes.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
so then that means now you can draw the graph, right?
Yeah, miss.
Okay, that is it. Then, okay, did you draw the graph so that you can complete that question? Then we can go to the next part, next theory part. Okay, first draw and complete only the fourth question.
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes, tell me.
for the fourth one, miss, -8 is coming, right?
Fourth one, when x is equal, yes, when x is equals to 8, right? When x is, no, when x, sorry, go where okay, so here, no, when x is equals to, when x is equals to -8, yes. When x is equals to -8, then y is equals to 0. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 6. Yes.
Okay. Okay, miss.
Okay? Okay. Last one also you did, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then if I move to the next part, that is, here we have the straight line. So you have to do all these exercises, okay? Now for the straight line conversions, for the straight line conversion graphs, now a graph gives an easy way of converting from one unit to another. So let's see what they have given us. So another question is, in May, £1 was worth, okay, this one is 1 penny either. One, okay, anyway, was worth 1.38. Draw a conversion graph to convert 0 to 100 into euros. Okay, use your graph to convert, and this euro 60 to, okay, this one pennies to euros and this one to British pounds. Okay, so this one is pounds, this one is euros. No? So do you know those currencies? This one is, I think, euros.
Euro.
Are?
Yes,
Then this one is what? British pounds, right?
British pounds.
Yeah. This one is British pounds. Hurry. So now what they are saying, we can do the currency conversion also through these graphs. We can do the currency conversions also through these graphs. So a graph gives an easy way of converting from one unit to another. Now what they are saying, skill modeling. In May, okay, in May, £1 was worth 1.38 euros. Draw a conversion graph to convert 0 to 100 into euros. So now how we gonna do? So if it's zero, what we call, if it's 0 pounds, how much is it in euros? We should have a data table. Okay, we should have a data table. So how we draw this data table? That is, okay, it's like this. Now what will happen? So we are doing in month of May. Here we have the pounds. I'll write it like this, pounds. And here we have the euros.
Euros.
Okay. So this. Okay. If it's, now tell me, okay, if it's 0 pounds, if it's 0 pounds, how much is it in euros?
So pound is zero. In euros it is
It's also 0 because
zero.
there's nothing. Yeah, it's also 0 because there's nothing. Then, so here they have given £1 is how much? 1.38
1.3
euros. Okay, 1.38
euros.
Hi. Okay, then now that means here, if it's 1, here it is 1.38. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, miss.
Then if it's 2, how much is it in euros?
It's 2.
How much is it?
2.3.
So what you have to do? We should multiply this 1.38 by 2. That means 2.76. Okay. Then what we can do? We can draw the graph like this. We can draw the graph like this. So, but they have a but they have given, but now, so they have marked it from 10 to 10 ne, can 10, 20, 30 like that, no? So then we have the value, we can calculate all these values like this and then draw the graph. Okay, now tell me, if it's 60 pounds, hurry, if it's 60 pounds, if it's 60 pound, how much it cost in euros?
60 pounds. We have to calculate it. And
Yes, what we have to do?
1.38 times
1.38 times 60. Very good. So how we gonna do that one? 0. 6 times 8, 48. We just forget about the, decimals and cents, and then we just multiplied it by 60. No, so we have to keep 0. 6 times 8, 48. Attadamma, then 4 will be remaining. 6 times 3, that is 18. 18 plus 4, 22, then we'll keep it 22, then 2 will be there. 6 times 1, 6, 6 plus 2, that is 8. The total would be 82.80. Now you know, right, these kind of questions, how to do these kind of questions,
yes, please.
how to convert these ones as well.
Yes, please.
Okay. So a conversion graph is an easy way of converting from one unit to another because the readings are taken from a graph. So the answers are not exact, but not all conversion graphs pass through the origin as well. So that's what they have given. Okay. Now my question is, can you do this example 5 by yourself?
Um,
Can you? Yes. Why? I need the answers for. I need the answers for what? I need the answers for these two questions. Or else you can explain me as well. Can you explain me how we gonna do these? Are you sure?
okay.
Is it clear for you that for
Yeah.
this one you should multiply 1.38 by 60, and for this one what do we have to do?
120.
120 should what we have to do? So we have a connection in between these two. What was that connection? That was, so we had one 1 pound was equals to 1.38 euros. 1 pound was equals to 1.38 in euros. Okay. Now they're asking how much is it in pounds when 120 euros are there. So
We should be divided.
yes, very good. 120 should divided by 1.38. Can you tell me the answer?
Okay.
What is the answer? How we gonna divide that one?
1.1 and the last one.
So what we have to do if it's this kind of, if we are doing it manually, then how we gonna divide? 120 should divided by 1.38. So first we need to remove these two decimal places. To do that, we should multiply it by 100. So for the top also we should multiply it by 100. එතකොට numerator it will become 12,000 should divided by, for the denominator it is 138. Hari? So now what you can do? You can divide this by 138. So there's no 138 for ones, 12 volt 120 volt but for 1200 there's 8. So then 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 3, 8 times 3 that is 24යි 24යි 6යි 30යි, right? 30න් බිඳුව දැම්ම 3ක් ඉතුරු 8 වරක් 1 8යි 8යි 3යි 11යි. Then we have 6, 9, 960. For this one, we have 7. 7 වරක් 8, 56න් 6 දැම්ම 5ක් ඉතුරුයි. 7 වරක් 3, 21යි 21යි 5යි 26යි 2ක් ඉතුරුයි. 7 වරක් 1 7යි 7යි 2යි 9යි. So approximately it would be like 87. තේරුණාද කරපු විදිය? Is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So it is
86 point something neda?
86 point.
Yeah, because hata dammahama metana 966 enavane. It's exceeding this one. Actual value will be 86 point something. Let me check with the calculator.
It came for me 1.1.
Yeah, it is 86.9 actual value. So this will be rounded into 87. No, you didn't get that one?
No.
Okay, so how are we gonna do this? So what is the value actually we have to do? 120 should divided by 1.38, right?
Yes.
Then first we need to remove these two brackets. We should multiply it by 100. The denominator. Then we need to multiply the numerator also by 100. එතකොට 12,000 should divided by 138. Hari? Is it clear up to this
Yes,
point?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then 12,000, if we divide it by 138, for this one, we don't have any 138. 12, for this 12, we don't have. 120 volt, that's also we don't have. 1200 volt, how much? That's what you have to calculate. For this 1200, you may have 8. 800 and 800 and what we call 138. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So එතකොට 8 වරක් 8 64යි. 6ක් ඉතිරි. 8 වරක් 3 24යි. 24යි 6යි 30යි. බිඳුව දැම්ම 3ක් ඉතුරුයි. 8 වරක් 1 8යි. 8යි 3යි 11යි. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 0 minus 4 can't. We have to take it from the next person. එතකොට එයා ගාවත් නැහැ. එතකොට මෙයා ගාවට යන්න වෙනවා. So this one will give one for him and again for him. එතකොට here it will become 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Then now here it will be 9. 1 minus 1, that is 0. එතකොට for total 96, again we have to take this 0 down. එතකොට 960. For this 960, you have 638. Okay? 6 times 8, that is 48. හරි 8 දැම්ම 4ක් ඉතුරුයි 6 වරක් 3 18යි 18යි 4යි 22න් 2 දැම්ම 2ක් ඉතුරුයි 6 වරක් 1 6යි 6යි 2යි 8යි. Okay, then 2යි, so 5යි 5 minus 2, that is 3. මෙතන තියෙනවා 9ක් 9න් 8ක් අඩු කරාම 1. Okay, so it will be roughly ඕනනම් we can keep a decimal place here and then take another 0. එතකොට 1320 වලට we might have 9. So it will be approximately 86.9. That means the value will become 86. Hari, is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay, that is it. Now, can you do this first question by yourself?
Okay.
Okay, in class. Okay, you do that one first. Okay, this one.
Miss,
Yes.
man, miss the battery is low, so it turned off.
Sorry.
Then now it's okay.
Okay. I didn't. I didn't get you.
Miss, the battery
Battery got low,
uh,
so
it turned off.
okay, it turns off. Uh,
Yeah, miss.
now is it okay, or shall we continue, or what is the issue?
We can continue.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
is the first one answer, 35,730.
You can read it. You can read it. Read that value directly from this graph as well, because here they have mentioned it 90. No, so 90 means where we have this 90. 90 means here. See, 90 means here. Okay, then what is the value? What is the relevant value?
12,000.
12,000. Is that what you said?
No, miss.
No, right? Yeah, that's the case. We can directly read that value from the graph itself. So the
We have
value,
to read from the graph.
yeah, we have to read from the graph. So
I
for
thought
the,
we have
yeah,
to calculate it.
yes, previous one they were given as they were given it as an description, no, or the conversion thing, but now they have given directly the what we call the graph, so that we can read the values from the graph itself.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Then the B1 it is also we can take from the graph.
8,000, yes, for 8,000 means
Is
that means we have 60.
60.
Yeah. So now for the C, a shop in Japan says that it will accept euros. Adam pays with a 100
100
euros,
no.
yeah, 100 euros note for a camera, and that cost 6,000. How many yen should he receive in change?
No calculation.
Ah, do the calculations. Do the calculations first.
Miss,
Yes.
is it 8,000?
Is it
8,000?
8,000? How you calculate it? So first one is you should Adam place.
Wait.
So they are asking the yen should receive in change. Okay.
Yeah, they are asking about you.
Hmm.
Miss,
Yes.
is it 40 euros?
So the value will become a shop in Japan says that it will accept euros. Adam pays with 100 euros. So 100 euros means what is the value there?
14,000.
It will become 13,000 something, right? For what is the value you read? See, if you like draw a horizontal line, it will become 13,100 wage. So you can get it easily. How? So if you can't read it, I mean, if you can't get the proper value from the graph itself, then what we can do? So if it's 90 euros, what is the value? If it's 90 euros, then the value is 12,000.
12,000.
Okay. Then that means here they have asked for 100 euros. 200 euros, what you have to do? You have to divide this 12,000 by 90 and then multiply it by 100. Okay. Then that means 12,000 into 0 divided by 9. What is the answer? So you should divide 12 9 බෙදුවාම 1යි 3යි 30ට 3යි this amount. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 13,333 wage. So approximately it will become, we'll get as 13,000 13,000 here. Is it clear how I get it?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then if it's 13,000, then what will happen? So now, okay. So, but the actual value is what? 6,000, right? Then what 6,000 in pounds or something. Then what we have to do? We have to get the difference because he has 13,000, but the actual cost was 6,000. Now we need to, what we have to do? We need to get the difference in between these two. It will cost 7,000. So 7,000 means approximately how much? It is like 55 euros. Is it clear for you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Anyway, I'll put all the recordings today to the YouTube and let you know. Because of that, you can see all these, you can watch all these videos. I'll surely. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So then you have to do the rest of the questions as well as homework. Okay. That
Okay.
means exercise 4 and exercise 4 star. I have to mark the previous exercises as well. I'll mark it and send back to you. Okay.
Okay, miss.
And then that means we are done with that part as well, graphs part. Here you have the revision. So you have to do the revision also. Hare? Okay. Good afternoon. But don't do the exam practice questions. Just do all the exercises up until the revision. Hare? Revision එක
Okay, miss.
වෙනකන් ඔක්කොම ටික කරන්න. And for the previous one, I'll mark those ones and give it to you. So exam practice questions we'll do together. Okay?
Okay, miss.
That means we are done with the graphs part as well. Okay?
Okay, okay, miss.
Okay. So, yeah. So we'll start with the next unit next day onwards. ඒකට කමක් නැහැ. So you can do all the workings now. I'll upload the two videos. Two නෙවෙයි ගොඩක් තියෙනවානේ මට upload කරන්න. I'll upload all the videos right now. Hurry.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Then that's all for today. You do all your homeworks. I'll send you a message once I completed the uploading. Hurry.
Okay, miss.
Okay, thank you so much for joining. Then see you on next week.
Okay, miss.
Okay, bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye.